Welcome to my channel BTS Explorer. BTS becomes first group to ever headline FIFA's World Cup halftime show. BTS will make history by becoming the first group to headline first ever FIFA World Cup halftime show. The group will perform an 11-minute show on July 19 at the New York, New Jersey Stadium. This highly anticipated event marks the first official FIFA World Cup halftime performance and features global icons Madonna and Shakira sharing the stage. BTS becomes first Asian artist named to the icons list of the Guinness World Records. BTS has become the first Asian group named icons in the 2026 Guinness World Records. The honor recognizes their massive global influence. They are the only K-pop act included on this prestigious list of world legends. BTS Suga makes history as first K-pop star to own a major US sports team. K-pop star Suga of BTS is making history as he becomes a part owner of a US-based Major League Baseball MLB team. The rapper and songwriter is investing the Oakland Athletics, one of the MLB's oldest franchises, through Team 61, a private equity fund led by MLB legend Park Chan-ho, backing the team's $1.5 billion plan to build a new stadium on Las Vegas. BTS Suga becomes the first rapper in history to sell over 1 million copies of an album in a single day. BTS Jungkook becomes the first Asian artist to spend 141 straight weeks on Billboard 200. Jungkook of BTS has made music history as his solo hit 7 reaches its 141st week on the Billboard Global 200 chart. The milestone makes him the first among all Asian groups and solo artists combined to achieve such long-lasting success with a single song. BTS Jungkook launches his first ever clothing line with Calvin Klein. Jungkook has officially launched his first clothing line in partnership with Calvin Klein. This move makes him the first K-pop artist to co-design a limited collection with the global fashion brand. Known as CKJK, the 20-piece collection is deeply inspired by the singer's personal love for motorcycles. It includes racer jackets, baggy denims, and graphic tees featuring custom logos and designed by the artist himself. Arirang becomes first album this year to have all songs surpass 100 million streams. BTS has made music history with their historic album Arirang, became the first 2026 release to have every track surpassed 100 million Spotify streams. The record-breaking feat was achieved just 53 days after the collection debuted, containing 14 unique songs including the popular lead single Swim. The project reached these numbers at a speed far beyond any other major album released this calendar year. BTS V becomes the most influential commercial face of the decade. BTS star V has officially been recognized as the most influential commercial face of the last decade. Known globally as Kim Tae-young, the singer has transformed the advertising world through a phenomenon expert called the V effect, which consistently drives unprecedented sales for brands. BTS look incredible in both Naruto and Dragon Ball styles, but which one suits them better? Their energy, style, and powerful warrior vibes fit perfectly in the Dragon Ball universe and Naruto. Armies, these are the exciting games BTS is promoting. Go check it out, download it, and join the adventure. Thanks for watching. Who is your bias? Comment down below.